Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss about stacks. The general meaning of stack is arrange or arrangement. So these are the simple real world examples such as stack of chairs, stack of plates, stack of cups and stack of books. When it comes to computer, a stack is a linear data structure which follows a particular order in which the operations are performed. It is an ordered collection of homogeneous items which follows LIFO rule, that is last in first out, in which the elements that are inserted last is deleted at first. There are two basic operations, push and pop, that can be performed on a stack. Insertion of an element in the stack is called push and deletion of an element in the stack is called pop. Primitive operations. The three basic stack operations are push, pop and get top. Besides these, there are some more operations that can be implemented on a stack, such as stack installation, stack empty and stack full. We have few more stack operations such as push, pop, get top, stack installation, empty, full. Push means insertion an element on the top of the stack. Pop means delete the element from the top of the stack. Get top means it just reads an element from the top of the stack. Stack installation setups the stack in an empty condition. Empty checks whether the stack is empty. Full checks whether the stack is full push. The push operation inserts an element on the top of the stack. Before every push, we must ensure whether there is a room for a new element. When there is no space to accommodate the new element on the stack, then the stack is said to be full. Here, the stack capacity is 3. Therefore, the stack is in full condition. The pop operation deletes an element from the top of the stack and returns to the user. It modifies the stack so that the next element becomes the top element. When there is no element available on the stack is said to be the empty stack. If the pop is performed when the stack is empty, then the stack is said to be an underflow. Get top. The get top operation gives information about the topmost element and returns the element on the top of the stack. As the both insert and delete operations are allowed at only one end, it retrieves data in the reverse order in which data is stored. Suppose that the order of the operation is push A, push B and then push C, where we remove these elements out of the stack. They will be removed in the order C, B and A in reverse order. Elements are taken out in the reverse order of the insertion and sequence. So a stack often called last in first out, LIFO.